Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to share how to create a new myGC account whilst making a booking. When a new booking is made on myGC, you are able to register for a new account. Signing up grants you access to various features, including full control over your medical data and sharing preferences, managing payments, and maintaining your medical history, all from the comfort of your home. In this video, we will start on the myGC homepage. To reach this website, navigate to mygc.co.za within your preferred web browser. You'll be presented with various field options to search for the desired practitioner. The location field is utilized to enter the general area where you want to book an appointment to consult with a practitioner. By using the speciality fields, you are able to filter by the type of practitioner you require. Lastly, you are able to filter the practitioners by name in the Search a Name field. Alternatively, click on the Near Me button to enable your device's location functionality to display only the practitioners closest to you. A list of practitioners will now be displayed according to the search criteria. Next, click on the applicable available time slot of your preferred practitioner. Please note that if the practitioner is not set up for myGC, no time slots will be available. The Make a Booking screen will open. If you're satisfied with the selected time slot displayed, click on the Next Step button. The myGC login screen will open. Click on the Register button. From here, complete the fields with the relevant personal information. Please note that fields marked with an asterisk symbol are mandatory to complete. Alternatively, you can click on the Sign Up with Google option if you prefer this registration method. For an extensive explanation of how to sign up with Google, please refer to the Sign Up with Google user manual linked in this video's description. Once you have read and accepted the terms and conditions, tick the checkbox. To read the terms and conditions, simply click the Terms and Conditions link. Click on the Register button. As a security measure, a one-time PIN SMS will be sent to your mobile number to verify the number, which you should enter in the one-time PIN field. If you did not receive an OTP, click on the Resend OTP button. Click on the Verify button to continue with the verification. A notification will appear to advise that the mobile number has been verified. Click on the Next Step button. From here, make sure that the correct patient has been selected and click on the Make Booking button. Please note that completing medical aid details is not mandatory, but can save you time at the practice. For more information regarding how to update your details, please refer to the Setup Medical Aid user manual linked in this video's description. The feedback screen will open, where you are able to leave your comments and views about how your user experience was in making a booking with myGC. For more information regarding how to leave feedback for the myGC team, please refer to the Feedback, Sign Up and Login user manual linked in this video's description. The Booking Made screen will open to advise you that the booking has been made successfully. Please be aware that booking instructions will be sent to your email address and mobile number. Additionally, some practices may also require you to confirm your booking through an SMS or email. Click on the View My Booking button. The booking screen will open, from where you are able to manage your booking.